How to record multiple clips on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to record multiple clips on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, you may now open your TikTok app, and then there are actually two ways that I would suggest. So let's go first with the easy way, which is the without music. So you may click on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen, and then right here, what you're going to do is to um, you may choose your time first or the duration of your video, and then you may press and hold onto this button right here, release it, and then you may change your position, for example, and then press and hold once again, and then um, so let's just try it out. For example, you take a video like this one. So release it, and then you change the angle or your position, and then um, press and hold once again, and then just like that one, as you can see, there are actually two clips in one video. So you may click on the check mark once you are done and then post it afterwards. So the second method is with the use of music. So let's just choose this one for example. So click on that music and then click on use this sound. So click on use this sound and then make sure to go to timer first. So click on timer and then drag this line right here to whichever part of the song you want. So what this will do is that um, when you start the countdown and then you start taking the video, it will stop on that part of the music. So for example, I will set it for 2 seconds and then I'll click on start countdown. It will start the video and then it will stop on 2 seconds as well. And then once it will stop, it will again look like this one. You may need to click on timer once again, move it to another part of the song. Then let's say for example, you want it on 4 seconds now. You may change your position or your angle if you want to, and then click on start countdown once again, and then repeat the process again and again until you have finished or achieved your goal. So once you have done that, again, click on the check mark um, button on the right side of recording button, and then that's it. That's how you can record multiple clips on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.